Installation video of 20-inch outdoor cage ceiling fan with light strip version. Check with the list of accessories in the manual to make sure they are complete. Let's start. Disconnect the power supply by turning off the circuit breaker. According to your ceiling type, choose the appropriate screws to fix the circular hanging plate to ceiling. Align the 4 blade parts with the holes on the base and insert them until a click is heard. Insert the fan blade into the center rod, making sure it is locked into the slot. Place the fixing cap in position. Secure each metal cage frame with 2 screws. Repeat the above steps for the remaining 3 parts. Secure the metal cage trim ring with 8 screws. Choose the appropriate downrod length, 5-inch or 10-inch, based on your ceiling height. Pull out the pins at the end of the downrod. String the coupling cover onto the downrod. Attach the coupling to the motor with 6 screws. Insert the downrod into the coupling. Insert the pin and pin holder back. Tighten the screws and then slide down the coupling cover. Hang the fan on the circular hanging plate. Route the power cord along the downrod and secure it with the cable clips. Stick the wire clips in place based on your room wiring. Just fix the power cord according to your need. Light on. Adjust 3 color temperature: white, yellow, and nature light. Dim it darker. Dim it brighter. Wind speed level 1. Reverse. The fan will take some time to slowly stop before starting to reverse.